guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time I didn't post any video. So here's my travel vlog. Let's see how it goes. Finally, after 1 week of discussion, we are leaving to Hampi with my gang. We are stopped nearby, somewhere on the highway, and we found a beautiful sunflower. Now we have reached Gadag and we are having our breakfast. Hampi and we have come to our resort, which is Whispering Rocks. I will mention about all the details about it in the description. Actually, it's really far from the main Hampi, I would say, that is Vithala temple and Virupaksha temple, but it's a kind of full of nature and it's really peaceful. I'll show the resort later. First we'll go and dress up, then let's meet.
I wouldn't say the resort was way too much good, but it was like budget friendly and it was very clean, and the rooms were too good for the budget which we got. We got like one room for 2000 rupees as we booked offline. You can even book it online, but online might cost you like around 3000 with tax and all.
We all are ready now and we are leaving to Vijay Vithala temple. And maybe after that we'll go to Virupaksha temple. So let's see. Hampi is known as the World Heritage and it's known for all the temples and so many monuments and sculptures and all. And it's also famous for Hippie Island, but it's demolished now, so we have to watch all the temples. I don't know how much we can cover in these 2 days. Let's see what happens. Have reached Vijay Vithala temple. It's like 1 kilometer walk from here, so it's really nice place. Let's see how much we can explore.
Here comes the pride of Karnataka, the stone chariot, and this is why Hampi is most famous for this. Just look at the beautiful carving. These are the 7 pillars. Each pillar has a unique sound, and that's what the guide is showing us. Just listen to it.
ಸಿಂಹದ ಮುಖ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, lion face, lion, then 2 horses jumping scene both side. 3D pictures.
We are done with Vijay Vithala temple. Now we have come to Virupaksha temple. So we will visit it. Then after that, we'll go to have our evening snacks. We didn't have a lunch. We didn't get time. It was so tiring, but it was worth. Seriously, worth. The only problem you'll face in these places is there is no network here. Like no, not even BSNL is working here. So you have to struggle a lot for network. But apart from that, it's a really good place to enjoy. Now we are heading towards Mango Tree Restaurant. I've heard that it's really famous here. So let's see how the food will be. Chalo, let's go. So finally we have reached Mango Tree. Now we are so damn hungry. Let's see what we can attack on the food. We have reached Virupaksha temple now, and then it's a very huge temple. So let's see how much we can cover today.
Look at this cutie, his name is Raja, and the one thing which I found funnier is that he will bless you only if you pay him 10 rupees note. If you give him 1 rupee coin or 5 rupee coin, he won't bless you. Be stubborn like Raja.
Finally, we are done with both the temples, that is Virupaksha temple and Vijay Vitala temple. So now we are going to explore Hampi Bazaar. So let's go. Good morning guys, it's day 2 and day 1, as you all saw, we have covered only 2 places, that is Vijay Vitala temple and Virupaksha temple. We couldn't cover much because time was so limited and it was so vast to see all the places. So today we have planned like to go to Anjanadri hill just to watch sunrise and all, and a little kind of a trek it is. So let's see how much we can do, and after that we are planning to go to Sanapur lake for boating. I hope it will be there now. So that's all. Let's go.
Here's a small early morning clip outside our resort. Just look at the scenery, it's really beautiful. You can hear the birds chirping sound. Let me know in the comment section who all are a morning person.
So finally we have reached Anjana Hill, which is the birthplace of Sri Hanuman. It's very famous, and to get to this place you have to climb around 600 to 700 steps. If you visit Hampi, you should definitely visit this place, Anjanadri Hills. It's a really beautiful place, and it soothes your soul, and it's really calm, and you can see the whole view of Hampi from here. So don't miss this place. Now I am at the highest point of Hampi. From here you can see the entire Hampi view, like the Vijaya Vittala temple, Virupaksha temple, Tungabhadra river. The entire Hampi. It's just such a beautiful view. I'll just show you how it looks. Over there you can see it is the Tungabhadra river. I don't know whether you'll be able to see, but this is the Vijaya Vittala temple, and if I see this side, you can see Virupaksha temple. Hope you're able to see this one. So we have done visiting Anjaneya Hill. Now we are so damn hungry, so we have come to have breakfast. This is a small hotel, and the idli is so much good here. So now we have come to Sanapur Lake for the boating. We are back to our resort, so now we'll be checking out within 10 to 15 minutes. Actually we thought of staying in Hampi for one more day, but then we need to explore Badami and Aihole also, so we thought let's just go to Aihole, and then there we can explore Aihole and Badami caves. So yeah, there are so many things to explore in Hampi, but we couldn't cover much because time span, we had only 2 days to cover, and it was very less to cover Hampi. So you people can watch Narasimha statue, which is very famous. Yeah, those all things I'll list in the description, you can go and watch, but we had covered only like 3 to 4 places. Actually our aim was to cover both the famous temples which I showed you yesterday, which is Vijaya Vittala and Virupaksha. And the Sanapur Lake was too good. You must visit Sanapur Lake if you come here. You have to do that boating. It's awesome. So that's all about Hampi. I have shown you what all I have explored in Hampi and which all restaurants we went and had our food. So if you like it, then you can go and explore those places. It's a really good place to explore, especially for people who are interested in architecture and all those mythological stories and Indian culture. So you must visit Hampi once in a lifetime. And if you like the resort which I stayed, that is Whispering Woods, I will link in the description. You can go and check it out. There are so many resorts, but I feel Kishkinda Resort and Whispering Woods are best among all. So you can check those places in Google, and you can book through online or offline. Anything is available here. So yeah, let's meet in Badami or Aihole. have reached Aihole now, Durga Temple and Museum. So let's see how much we can cover.
Before you watch the entire Aihole video, let me just give you a brief introduction on how this place was exactly formed and why was it named as Aihole. So you might be knowing Parashurama, you might have heard about him in all the Hindu mythological stories. So what he decides is, he decides to kill all the Kshatriyas because his father Jamadagni was killed by a king. So he decides that I'll kill all the Kshatriyas, and he kills many of them and throws them in a river. So the ladies nearby watches this scenario and they are like, they just say Hole, they say. Hole in Kannada means river. So that's why it's named as Aihole. I think most of you might not be knowing this story because even I didn't know this story. It's not written in any history textbooks. So that's why I'm saying whenever you're visiting such historical places, you must definitely hire a guide. It's really worth hiring them. They will charge you around 200 to 300 rupees. That's all they'll charge you. And if you're going in a group like maybe 4 or 5 to people, if you're going, it'll cost you only 50 or 80 rupees per person. That's it. So please go for it and enjoy your trip.
ಪಂಚಶಾಖ ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದು ನಾಗಶಾಖ, ನಾಗ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ನೇಕ್, ಪುಷ್ಪಶಾಖ ಫ್ಲವರ್, ಸ್ತಂಭ ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್, ನವಶಾಖ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಸರ, ಸೊ ಕಡೆ ಮಕರ ಶಾಖ ಬಸವ ಡಿಸೈನ್ 5 ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದೊಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಮುನಾ ನದಿ ಗಂಗಾ ನದಿ ಅಂತ ಕೆತ್ತನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ತುಂಬ ಆಳಾಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಯಮುನವಾನ ಆಮೆ ಗಂಗಾ ಬೇಕು ಮೊಸಳೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದಂಥ 2 ನದಿಗಳು ಗಂಗಾ ನದಿ, ಗಂಗಾ ನದಿ. ಆ ನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜೀವನ ಪಾವನ ಆಗ್ತದಂತೆ. ಅದೇ ತರನಾಗಿ ಈ ಗರ್ಭಗುಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಯಮುನಾ ನದಿ ಮತ್ತು ಗಂಗಾ ನದಿಯನ್ನು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಜೀವನ ಪಾವನ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಈ ಯಮುನಾ ನದಿ ಮತ್ತು ಗಂಗಾ ನದಿ.
So that's all about today's video. I hope you liked it. I tried my level best to cover all the places which I have visited in Hampi and Aihole. If you like it, please hit that thumbs up button and share it to your friends and family. And do visit Hampi. If you are in Karnataka, you must definitely visit Hampi. It's like a marvelous place to enjoy with your friends. And yeah, let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.